अगर मैं नहीं हुआ होता फिल्म मेकर तो मैं अल्कोहलिक होता, मर गया। एक बड़ी गलती है सेंसर बोर्ड में, लोगों में, क्रिटिक्स में, कि what the character is saying is necessarily what the writer or the filmmaker is saying.
I don't know if I've told you, Sudhir, but I was very scared of him. Always. Very scared of him.
Scared of me?
I was very scared of him.
What Sudhir sir does is, वो जो स्क्रिप्ट में है वो तो है ही, जो स्क्रिप्ट में नहीं लिखा ना वो सीन में लेके आते हैं, which I don't know how he does it, but it's magical.
Hey Sudhir, I have one question for you. like ये कश्मीर के बैकड्रॉप पे आपने सीरीज,
I'm not at all offended. I love this.
लेकिन आपने हे सुधीर ना उसको हिंदी वाला बना दिया। हे सुधीर तेरा हे राम वाला बना दिया।
I'm very rarely sad, but I'm not. I find it really tough to smile.
Hi, hello, सत श्री अकाल. You all are watching me at Filmy. मैं हूँ आपके साथ नमिता सचदेव. Well, I have with me the incredible cast and a visionary filmmaker who have made Tanav for all of us a standout experience. So let me welcome Mr. Sudhir Mishra, Mr. Rajat Kapoor, Mr. Gaurav Arora, and Mr. Satyadeep Mishra. All of you, welcome to Filmy. How are you?
Thank you very much. Very good.
तनाव ने आप सबको कितना तनाव दिया और सेट पे इन सब ने आपको कितना तनाव दिया?
तनाव मतलब नहीं दिया एक्चुअली। आई मीन इट्स क्वाइट सरप्राइजिंग, बट जनरली होता है ऐसा। और तनाव मैंने इनको बहुत दिया।
अच्छा, जैसे
सो अगर आई एम द ओनली मॉन्स्टर ऑन द सेट, द रेस्ट ऑफ देम आर रियली सो दे कैन टॉलरेट मी। सी आई मीन तो वो इन लोगों से पूछिए कि सुधीर मिश्रा ने कितना तनाव दिया। मुझे ऐसा दिस इज अ परफेक्ट ऑलमोस्ट great team with top professionals, really nice people who all get along very well with each other, which is very surprising. Going from one season to another, there's no enmity. In fact, the enmities of the or slight disagreement with the first season have ironed out totally, and even those that didn't like each other too much in the first season now seem to adore each other. So this is too syrupy a unit.
Absolutely. Well, Sudhir sir ने आप लोगों को कितना तनाव दिया है वैसे? Starting with you, Rajat sir.
I've known Sudhir sir for many years. For I don't know, more than 25 years. And I don't know if I've told you, Sudhir, but I was very scared of him. Always. Very scared of him.
Scared of me?
I was very scared of him. Then slowly that fear went away. Slowly we became friends. Then we still didn't see each other very much. But now I feel for the first time since Tanav that we have become friends.
तो कोई तनाव नहीं, बस ये डर था खाली
Not anymore.
शुरू में.
Not anymore. वो तनाव पहले था.
Gaurav, you were the new entrant.
Yes.
So welcome to Tanav 2.
Thank you.
So from playing love games in 2016 to now playing with the sentiments of people, how do you feel?
Well, I would prefer this any day. Yeah, I mean, it's a great opportunity for me. It's a great character, great bunch of co-actors and fantastic directors. So it's been a no-brainer. I've been really fortunate to be a part of this, and there hasn't been any tanav whatsoever.
And you were also scared of Sudhir sir?
Not at all. In fact, I mean, I was before I met him. But
Also
ये
scared.
तो कहना ही पड़ेगा सबको.
maybe मतलब वो monster बोल रहा है, but he's a if at all he's a monster, he's a gentle monster.
He looks like a strict principal of a school.
Yeah, he might look like, but he's not. In fact, I mean, there was a lot of pressure on me. I mean, when I was getting into it, because it was a season 2, they've all worked together before, like a closed unit. So I was just hoping that they accept me, and it was the best. It's the most friendliest, like the most friendly set I've ever been on. Yeah.
मुझे सर को देख के हमेशा ऐसा लगता है जब भी मैं देखती हूँ जैसे तो कि परंपरा, प्रतिष्ठा, अनुशासन, ये 3 शब्द हैं जो सर की डायरी में हमेशा आते हैं कि सत्यदीप
तीनों आई नहीं।
He's the coolest guy.
ना परंपरा है, किसी परंपरा से निकला होगा, लेकिन अब उसको तोड़ना तो जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार है। और अनुशासन मतलब मालूम ही नहीं। I don't know. नहीं, I'm just a battering ram. The only way I know how to work is there's this woman, there's a lady called cinema. That has saved my life. अगर मैं नहीं हुआ होता फिल्म मेकर तो मैं अल्कोहलिक होता, मर गया।
Satyadeep is giving a pretty smile.
No.
So what he
In
has to
fact,
say.
I sort of Sudhir sir is obviously a great director to have to perform for, but I think even more fun is him sort of between shots, because there are very sort of few, you can count them on your fingertips, who are so well read, who are so aware, who can give you context and history and backstory about what's happening. I think so. Anybody who spends time with him on a set would really enjoy that aspect. The sort of craft and acting, वो तो है ही मतलब. But I quite enjoy, and I don't find him scary at all. I find him very entertaining. I love the fact that he hates to be called Sudhir sir. मैं अभी रिपीट नहीं करूँगा क्या किस फ्लारी लैंग्वेज में ये बोलते हैं कि सर वर नहीं हूँ मैं तुम्हारा तो but yeah.
All right.
I love the 18-year-old going, hey Sudhir, come here. Great one.
So hey Sudhir, I have one question for you. लेकिन कश्मीर के बैकड्रॉप पे आपने सीरीज
आपने
I'm not at all offended.
आपने
I love this.
लेकिन आपने हे सुधीर ना उसको हिंदी वाला बना दिया. हे सुधीर तेरा हे राम वाला बना दिया.
But exploring the human side of terrorists, don't you think it blurs the line between right and wrong for the people of the country?
But then don't make a series. And don't make fiction. Because फिर अगर वो धर्म स्टोरी टेलिंग का ख़त्म हो गया, जब आप किसी किरदार को पकड़ेंगे तो फिर आपको उसको समझना पड़ेगा. They made a series on film on Hitler, so the guy playing Hitler has to understand him in order to play him. Otherwise he'll just be snarling. I mean, what are you supposed to do then? You make him snarl. So then I have to give him a backdrop. है ना? तो कुछ संदर्भ देना पड़ेगा, कुछ का थोड़ा वो उसको भी समझ होगी, वो बैक स्टोरी में खुद जाएगा, थोड़ा रिसर्च करेगा. In order to play that character, you have to understand where he reached and how he reached and what his motivations are. He has to articulate. एक बड़ी गलती है सेंसर बोर्ड में, लोगों में, क्रिटिक्स में कि what the character is saying is necessarily what the writer or the filmmaker is saying. अगर एक जमींदार बोल रहा है किसी मजदूर से या खेतिहर मजदूर से कि तुम फलां जानवर, गाली गलौज कर रहा है, कुछ बहुत ही रेसिस्ट किस्म के बात शब्दों का इस्तेमाल कर रहा है, तो फिल्म मेकर का थोड़ी ना व्यू है ना. तो वो क्रिटिक भी, वो कभी कभी सेंसर बोर्ड भी बोलता है अरे आप इसके बारे में ऐसा कैसे बोल सकते, अरे हम नहीं बोल रहे भाई, कैरेक्टर बोल रहा है ना, हम नहीं बोल रहे. इन ऑर्डर टू शो दैट ऑपरेशन यू हैव टू यूज दोज वर्ड्स. इन ऑर्डर टू शो हिज डायबॉलिकल सेल्फ एंड वेयर ही हैज रीच्ड, आई हैव टू गो बैक कि ये लड़का इतना ऐसा क्यों हो गया, तब वो तो उसका ग्राफ बनता है ना.
आपने कश्मीर के बैकड्रॉप पे सेट किया, अभी यहाँ पे सेट पे भी हमको कश्मीर दिख रहा है, बस ठंड नहीं है. तो व्हाई डिड यू सेट अप द बैकड्रॉप ऑफ कश्मीर इन द सीरीज व्हिच इज अडैप्टेड फ्रॉम इजरायली सीरीज?
सब कुछ मैंने ही नहीं किया. हाँ, पहली बात. The series is made by a thought of, it's a reimagination of father, right? So Sameer Nair of Applause thought of buying this and adapting it, number one. So with the Applause team, then they take a monster like me, right? So when they take me, then you know you have to, then I am so and so, and then I have this feeling of Kashmir, and I'm not going to make a us versus them. I'm from Lucknow. So the Muslim is not the other for me. You know, I've grown up like that. मैं क्या करूँ? तो अब मैं तो so then in the adaptation which we did together, we turned the STG, this task force, into some Muslims, some Hindus, and it's a country. You know, this is one country. This is about us, right? And to attempt to understand even the so-called other and their lives, their families, उनका जो उम्मीद है, जो उनकी ज़िंदगी है, जो उनकी आशाएं हैं, जो उनकी त्रासदियाँ हैं, उसको अगर बारीकी से समझो तो वो मुझे कश्मीर के संदर्भ में वो समझ में आया कि वो कर सकते हैं. एंड आई लव कश्मीर एंड आई बीन गोइंग देयर सिंस 84, यू नो, व्हेन आई वेंट देयर फॉर खामोश. विनोद चोपड़ा की फिल्म में मैं असिस्टेंट था, आई प्लेड अ स्मॉल रोल. सो सिंस देन बचपन में भी तो गया ही हूँ, खैर वो तो टूरिस्ट ही हो जाता ज़्यादा, बट तो आई नो कश्मीर अ बिट.
बट आई थिंक आपने एक इंटरव्यू में भी कहा था काफ़ी पहले कि इट्स डेफिनेटली अ प्रो इंडिया सीरीज.
ऑफ कोर्स
you should know the tragedy of
we are Indians and that goes with it. I don't even need to, why do I need to reiterate all the time that I am pro India? Of course I am. इसमें क्या बार बार मेरे को बोलना, मैं अपने बाप का बेटा हूँ, ये रोज बोलूँ सुबह उठ के.
वही कहने
मैं अपने बाप का बेटा हूँ तो मैं हिंदुस्तानी हूँ. Of course I am pro India. I love India. I am fanatic about India. I love the idea of India.
Satyadeep, if I ask you like about your character in the series, we have seen a bonding between you and Manav, the Manav's character. How difficult is that, or how different is that to imbibe the thoughts or the process into this character from what you played in other characters? Because the responsibility, if we see, तो इस तरह की सीरीज या किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट में ज़्यादा होती है एज एन एक्टर जो आप दूसरी फिक्शनल सीरीज में करते हो.
आई थिंक जब भी कोई कैरेक्टर मिलता है तो जब आप पहली बार वो वर्ड्स पढ़ते हैं और अपने आप को विजुअलाइज करते हैं वो डायलॉग्स बोलते हुए, उसके पीछे ऑलरेडी आपके ब्रेन ने बड़ी जल्दी कुछ कैलकुलेशन कर लिया है कि कहाँ से आया है, कहाँ जा रहा है, क्यों बोल रहा है, कैसे बोल रहा है. सो आई फील कि वो तो काम सीजन 1 में हो गया. मतलब मैं बहुत एक ही एपिसोड में था सीजन 1 में, लेकिन वो जो सीजन 1 के भी पहले हमारा थोड़ा वर्कशॉपिंग हुआ था अपना इंटरपर्सनल रिलेशनशिप्स, स्पेशली जो स्पेशल टास्क फोर्स है STG है उन कैरेक्टर्स का, कि आप क्यों कैसे मतलब
Did you ask for the backstory from sir of your character?
Actually, for the backstory, when we were, I remember जब हम workshops कर रहे थे, वो we were told to make our own backstory.
Okay, on your own.
Because you've read the script, now make a backstory that brings you here. You know, so I think we all had spent some time figuring out why we were the way we were. And then you've played one season. Now the second season is I've been away from this unit all of for the first season. Now I come back in a position where I am heading the unit, but I still have to deal with Kabir's character, who's like an old friend. We are, we're batchmates. We're the same seniority, but I know he's a loose cannon. I know he'll do some things which are sort of not by the book. So that, I mean, that's what I have to play with in scenes, etc. That sort of undercurrent is basically what my character has to play.
Rajat sir, if I ask you, we did not see much of you in the first one, Tanav season 1. So would we expect more of your character in the season 2?
देखिए मेरे को फर्स्ट सीजन में बताया गया था कि सेकंड सीजन में तुम्हारा बहुत अच्छा रोल है. अभी मुझे बताया जा रहा है कि थर्ड सीजन में बहुत अच्छा है.
वो मेरे को लगा वो चाय के कप में दारू का मजा कुछ और ही था.
It grows. Third season is more or less his season.
अभी थर्ड सीजन
ऐसा
No, I think it's this one has definitely better scope than the first one. But again, that doesn't matter to me. कि कितना बड़ा काम है या कितना ज़्यादा episodes में है. That's not very important. What is important that the script is good, the people who are making it are good, and there's some kind of a meat for you to be able to play it.
And obviously you make all your characters believable and convincing on screen.
One tries.
That only you can do.
One tries. Thank you.
If I talk about you, Gaurav, so जैसे मैंने बोला आप न्यू एंट्रेंट हो, तो क्या क्या चीज़ें आपको सबसे सीखने मिली सेट पे? बिकॉज रजत सर इज वेरी एक्सपीरियंस्ड एक्टर. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट हिम एज अ डायरेक्टर आल्सो ही हैव वर्कड इन, है ना, ही इज डायरेक्टेड.
So I've already told this to him before, that the only regret that I've had in this season is that I've not had a chance. I have no scene with him. Like I really, I'm a huge fan of his work as an actor, as a director, and the first time I met him in Kashmir, I went up to him and I said, "Sir, I love your work, and the only regret that I have is मेरा एक भी सीन नहीं है आपके साथ." But still, having said that, I used to
एटलीस्ट इंटरव्यू में तो साथ बैठे हो आप.
बिल्कुल
इतना सुबह से सीन ही सीन कर रहे हम लोग साथ.
मैं इनके सीन देखने जाता था. जब रजत सर का सीन होता था, I would just go there and sit behind the monitor around him just to see his craft and just to learn. And similarly with Sudhir sir, every day it's been a learning. I mean, even in these interviews, I try and listen to him most of the times. What he's saying, it's been a learning every single day. What Sudhir sir does is, वो जो स्क्रिप्ट में है वो तो है ही, जो स्क्रिप्ट में नहीं लिखा ना वो सीन में लेके आते हैं. Which I don't know how he does it, but it's magical. Yeah.
I want to ask you, रियल लाइफ में किन किन बातों से तनाव होता है सुधीर? If I ask you.
I get upset when what is promised to me is not delivered. I don't like surprises. सुबह उठ के अगर आपने जो 4 दिन पहले मुझसे कहा है यार ऐसा कुछ हो जाएगा, वो सुबह उठ के I'm very bad in the morning. If you surprise me in the morning with too much तनाव.
वो भी बिना चाय के.
हाँ, वो भी बगैर चाय के. वो सुबह मत मुझसे शाम को बता दो यार ये हुआ नहीं.
रजत सर को देख के नहीं लगता है कि आपको तनाव होता भी होगा किसी बात में? होता है?
Not very often, no. Not very often. But I just did a new play And it's surprising that every time I do a new play, there's more stress than doing a film. It's very funny. Because though you would imagine that a film has a lot more money involved, people, but somehow doing a play is a little more stressful for me. It must be the bloody people, must be dealing with the bloody actors, something like that.
तो एक्टिंग में गौरव को तनाव होता है. मुझे तो लगता था गौरव मतलब या तो हॉकी प्लेयर होंगे या उनको ओलंपिक्स में जाना चाहिए. नेशनल लेवल स्विमर हो भाई आप.
I would love to play hockey again, yeah, but it's just that वो होता नहीं है इतना तनाव. I think acting में नहीं, but I think expectations अगर आप किसी से भी करो तो वहीं तनाव हो जाता है.
किससे करते हो?
किसी से भी. I think just किसी से कुछ expect मत करो.
सत्यदीप, you?
I feel कि अगर वही जैसे बोला कि if you expect the world to behave the way you want it to behave, you'll have lots of tanav in your life. Yeah.
But I think सत्यदीप को देख के भी लगता है he's a very sorted sort of a guy.
है ना?
या नहीं gentleman जितना है मतलब I think yeah.
तो आप सबको ही देख के लगता है.
No, but I think really.
Actually, always a smile on his face.
I never have a smile. People always think I'm really sad and like.
Why?
Yeah, and I'm very rarely sad. But I'm not. I find it really tough to smile.
It's tough for you, but you are तो smiling.
No, that's because there's a camera on and all, and I've been like.
तो ये झूठी smile थी
नहीं,
यार.
I don't know whether I can take his name.
वो
But I was-
default नहीं है.
हाँ बिल्कुल नहीं. मेरा तो I find it very challenging to smile.
A fake smile.
मतलब इसलिए अभी ऐसे पता नहीं क्या. I find it really tough to smile. Yeah.
अच्छा, one message from you, Sudhir sir, to all the young aspiring filmmakers who want to be like you. Some filmmakers might relate to you, some might not agree to your style of filmmaking.
Of course.
What kind of cinema you love making, and what kind of subjects you want to choose in future for the films, and what do you want to say to them?
But then something moves you. At the moment, I want to make a film about my step uncle, where my step uncle is the hero and as a kid, and my father is the villain. Child film. I want to make a film on Gandhi, right? About last 2 days, 3 days. I want to make a comedy. All three are kind of more or less written scripts. I mean, I don't know what actually, but what do I tell the young? You know, just believe in yourself. Tell me, don't compromise in the first 2 films. Sit in a dark room alone. Forget your girlfriend. Forget your friends. Look at yourself squarely in your mind's eye and say, this is the film, those are the films I love. This is who I am.
So yes, thank you so much all of you for being so nice and warm in the introduction.
Thank you.
Thank you.